Here's a pair of the Powerbeats Pro 2 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Amazon Fire TV. The same for the Amazon Fire TV sticks as well. So the first thing is we want to put these earbuds in a pairing mode. So the buds are in a case. Let me open this up. I'll know it's in pairing mode if the light here is blinking white. Okay. However, I get a solid white light here and eventually it's going to go off. The reason is because I'm connected to one of my phones right now. So let me manually put this in pairing mode myself. There's a button here in the case. Leave the earbuds in here. I'm going to press and hold that button for about 5 seconds or so, or just wait until the light here starts blinking white. Okay, the button here, ready, press and hold. Keep holding. Wait. Now it's blinking white. It's in pairing mode. You also hear the pairing chime as well. So now we're in pairing mode. Let's hurry up and shoot over to the TV now. You want to go to the settings. Just click on the home button to navigate to the settings icon right there. Go ahead and select that or OK that on the remote, or just go down, sorry. And then we're going to go to controllers and Bluetooth devices. Select that. Now go all the way down, other Bluetooth devices. Now add Bluetooth devices. Now it is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, these are still in the pairing mode. It's still blinking white there. And we just gotta wait. There you go, finally showed up, Powerbeats Pro. Let's go ahead and select that. Pairing device, voila, it is now connected. And I heard the connecting chime as well. So there you go. Now you can see that we're connected. Now we see if I have other headphones here and earbuds paired to this this TV here, but if I go to my AirPods Pro, it says select to press select to connect. But if I go to my Powerbeats Pro, it says press select to disconnect. So you know that it is connected. Anyway, there you go. If you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always do a factory reset on the earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.